Oh my god. Yay! Oh my god. Wow. Congratulations, Malu! Good morning! We are in the city today. It is freezing. I'm frozen. I don't know why it's so cold today. I don't know what the scene is, what's happening.
It's just the Liffey.
I don't know what language she's speaking.
Liffey is
This-
what the river's called.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
fine.
I was talking in English. She's been giving me too much shit about how I'm talking.
Yeah, obviously, bro. She's fully changed the language. Today's plan is to shop and walk around and see a few touristy things. Like, we're gonna go to
Trinity.
Kriti's college, yeah, Trinity. And they have
You
an
know that
insane
set,
library there.
That Salman Khan movie was shot there in Trinity. What
With
is that
Salman Khan movie.
Bro, the whole movie, he's only saying Trinity, Trinity.
What?
I'll find.
Is it really old, the movie?
Yeah, it's quite old.
Oh, we're gonna get some food, some coffee, some
No,
stuff.
hot chocolate.
Oh, hot chocolate.
Yeah.
From where? What's it called?
Butlers.
Butler's. Butler's hot chocolate is supposed to be iconic and I love hot chocolate. So let's go do that, and for now I'm gonna put this camera away because it's so cold. To put my hand in my pocket, but see the views.
I have an extra shawl if you want.
I don't know if that's gonna do anything for me right now. It's a chocolate cafe. Butler's Chocolate Cafe. Look at how many chocolates are here. Oh my god. Cheers. It's very hot. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. Oh, there's only one. Oh, we can go and get more.
It's like Starbucks here.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's so good. Even the chocolate. So like with the hot chocolate, they give you one piece of chocolate, and it was so
With
fire.
anything you buy, they give you
One piece of chocolate.
Yeah.
Guys, I bought a suitcase and like a shit ton of stuff. I feel like I'm almost done.
crazy.
I've literally gone mad. I feel like after a few days of not spending money, I'm like ready to spend it
Yeah,
again. I don't
yeah,
know what
okay.
happens. Because like when I came here, I was like, oh, my budget is over. I refuse. I will not buy anything. And now I'm just like, guys, also someone recognized me.
Bro, that was
crazy.
that was insane.
Like,
I was shocked.
We are in
Like,
Europe. How did that happen?
in
But
Dublin.
yeah, but she was from Jaipur and she was a real cutie. So shout out. Okay, chal, let's go to Trinity now. We're very late.
Yeah.
Because I've just been shopping.
We're running to see
The Book of Kells.
and a lot of like other monuments on the way.
Okay.
Like the spire.
Guys, can you all see that really thin monument right in the middle? Can you all see it?
in the night, the light right on top comes up,
Oh.
and you can see that light from almost everywhere in Dublin.
This little, oh, what?
It is the tallest statue in the world.
In the world?
In the world.
Oh, bro, this is long. Look at where it goes to. Crazy. Guys, this is Trinity College, Dublin, which is crazy. If you've gone to university in like Mumbai or some shit, you know that this is like not a normal university. But here it is. And Malu just told me that they have a myth that if you walk under this tower before like an exam or something, you will fail. That's the myth. So no one walks under the tower. I really want to walk under the tower, but we have to go there.
Exam. Ah, what are you
Oh yeah,
saying?
what will I test? What will I test?
It doesn't matter.
But it's so pretty, and apparently like tourists can just walk in, like it's like a tourist spot. So it's not just students, it's like everyone here, which is crazy. Doesn't this look like the Student of the Year set? It does. To me, it looks like exactly like that. Like look at that building. Oh bro. Guys, Malu's roommate Kriti studied here.
Studies.
Oh, studies. Yeah, she's not done.
Not done.
Yeah, she's not done. She's still studying. She will be done soon. We're this place called Little Pig. I'm not going to talk too much because I'll get copyrighted, but it's really pretty. It's huge. There's so much happening in here. Oh my god. Back to pizza. That looks crazy.
It does.
Will we finish this or not?
I'm guaranteeing yes.
It's going to get over. Okay.
Cheers.
Hi, Kashishar joined us.
Hi.
She's joined the party.
Wait, bye.
Drinking. Ishan has joined us now. There's four
Hi.
of us, and Kashish will not sit on the road.
Kashish-
Fair.
Well, I will.
Fair.
Yeah,
It's just no, I always do. It's
No,
just
I am you, you are me. It's okay. These pants have just been everywhere at this point. So actually, and he's making some drinks. What are you making?
I'm making soju, right? Yogurt flavored drink and mogu.
Mogu.
This is what we do almost every other weekend. What is this?
Just a yogurt flavored drink. I don't even know.
Kriti has also joined us. Yay! Everyone is here. Yeah! Cheers. Cheers.
Hey girl.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bad idea.
That looks good.
The spicy potatoes.
Getting a chicken roll at
Gay spa.
Gaspar. Thank you. Good morning. Or rather, good afternoon. Yeah. Guys, we are so tired. Like, I am obviously tired because it's been like, a long few weeks. And I've been out of my house. Mallory is tired because she is taking me out of her house for the last few days.
does not leave her house.
She does not leave. Like, this is an unusual activity for her that she's taking me out every day. We've gone to the city, we're eating out, we went to Hoth, we've just done so much, And she's obviously not used to leaving. But we are getting ready.
I work from home, so like I
Yeah.
usually don't leave my house.
And her house is so comfy. Like, it's just so comfy. Like, you don't want to leave. And I feel like I've stayed in so many Airbnbs, and obviously Airbnbs are also home. But this is like the first home I've come to. So I've just like been like, you know what, let's relax and let's just be. And we have really, relaxed.
Yeah, we've really been.
We've really been. But also I've realized today that shit bro, it's my second last day here. And my holiday is about to be over. Even though I've been so homesick. But like now that I'm leaving, I'm like, oh fuck, like I'm leaving. And it's gonna come to an end and I'm gonna go back to home and all the monotony and all the work and 40-degree Mumbai weather apparently. There's a crazy heat wave. Yeah, we're gonna go back to long distance. So like, I don't know, all these different emotions are mixing in my head. It's also like the third day of my period. For what reason? Like,
Oh, this girl has been crying every other day at anything. Like we're all standing, we were at this place called the George. Okay, it's like a gay bar and like it's really fun vibes. And we were telling her that the spa next to like the shopping place,
the grocery
next to,
store.
yeah, next to George is called Gay Spa. And she was like, oh my god, that's so cute, and she started crying. Like she has been going through the ringer a little bit.
And then we were in Hoth and I like sat in this really pretty park type of place. And again I started crying. And I was just like, what is happening today? Like, what's the deal with me? And then it was just happening every day.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, like basically that's a sign of me like thoroughly enjoying myself and also being on my period at the same time. Today we're getting ready. We are about to go to Dunleary. Every time I say, you say it differently.
I'm just fucking with you, dude.
We were supposed to go shark whale watching, but that is like 2.5 hours away. And
And then
honestly,
go to Cork for that, and that's
too far. Like it's too much work. And then we also didn't get too much time in the city because I've only gone to the city once, which is yesterday. So we're like, you know what? Let's dump that and actually see Dublin instead. So tomorrow we're gonna go back to the city because I need to do some more grocery shopping, snacks and stuff for the house.
Bars and drink a lot.
Yeah,
more.
like even tomorrow, let's go like pub hopping.
That's the only thing you can do in Dublin.
Yeah.
Dublin is like a city of drinking. Like
Country.
Ireland in general is
Correct.
a country of drinking.
And actually the cider, like the apple cider is so good. Like I am attached to it. And even the other one we bought from the grocery store,
Yeah.
Sotma.
That's also a cider only. It's just a berry cider.
Yeah, and we only had strawberry lime, but today we're gonna have blueberry, raspberry, berry.
Today you're going to be
Cider.
going to Weatherspoons. Weatherspoons is the cheapest place to drink.
Oh,
You get pictures, like massive pictures
Huh.
of cocktails.
whoa!
And Kriti and I have just gone ham on like 2-3 pictures at a time, dude. Like, it's
Like
so
at
fun.
one time you've had 2 or 3
Yeah.
full. Oh, I don't know if I can compete with that.
Dude, you can. It's so good. You just imagine like it's a really sunny day, okay, today. It's so nice and sunny.
It
We're
is,
gonna
it
be
is.
by the
Wait,
beach.
Let me show you.
sky,
Wow,
it's
it's so blue. Oh my god.
It's a sunny day and this Weatherspoons is right by the beach.
Wow.
Like it's right there.
Wow.
So
So we can just get stuff and go sit on the beach.
Yeah. We'll take like Uno or Monodeal or something.
Let's
We'll
take
games and we can just sit and
Do you
play.
have Faze?
I think I do here.
Oh my god.
Let me check. I know that I have Monodeal and this thing for sure. We just need to check our rooms.
666. But won't like the cards fly away in this wind? It's so windy.
Nah, bro.
I feel like it. Oh my god, I was literally going to put the lip liner on my eyes.
That would have been crazy.
We have changed like 2 billion outfits and then worn exactly what we
We
wore.
started with.
Yeah, I'm basically tired of like dressing up and looking for outfits and stuff. It's also so much harder when you're traveling because like there's limited clothes and you're trying to make the best out of like, you know, limited stuff. Anyway, that's what's happening as of now. I'm sad to be leaving soon, but I still have 2 more days with Mallu.
And you're happy to be going back to your bed.
I'm just missing home
I
at
fully
this
understand. Like,
point.
I'm not even like offended one bit because I get this emotion more than
No, and honestly, like the only reason I'm also okay is because I'm here with her. Like if I was anywhere else right now, I would be struggling so hard.
Yeah, this is like, it's like you being at my house.
I mean, a very different house because I'm used to a different house in Bombay.
Just we're used to the same amount of like that house, both of us.
I think I've been at that house more than you.
Yeah, I really do think that.
Yeah, because I think you all know, or like you all should know if you all have been watching the vlogs, that Mallu like moved houses, and when she moved, she was in Dublin. So it's
Yeah.
kind of like she's not, like she also doesn't know where the light switches
It
are
was-
in her new house.
It was so disorienting. Like, I know Ria's house more than I know my own house.
Yeah.
Like, I know where her glasses are kept. I know where her plates are kept. Like, I know her kitchen.
Yeah.
I didn't know my kitchen back home.
And actually, when she was coming back to Bombay, she was so happy to come to my house because she was like, now I feel like I'm home. Like, you know?
I was not feeling. I was missing like my home here so much.
Yeah. So fair.
You want a small snack right now? Should I make you like a salmon, cream cheese, cucumber bagel?
That sounds amazing.
Yeah? Okay.
Are we gonna eat before we go to Dunleary? Then no. Or if we're gonna go there and eat, then you, like, what's the plan?
Like, we could do either. So, we are going to be following like the same kind of route that we took to Hoth. So, we'll take the train and then another train to get to Dunleary because it's kind of far.
So I think let's both eat something. Even you eat something. Because you'll be very hungry.
Yeah, I am hungry, but like my stomach's just feeling off.
But you should eat something.
Like, I also think because we've been eating out so,
So
much,
much,
and
yeah.
I've been eating ghar ka khana also, my stomach is like getting
Weird, yeah. So eat something at home now so we can eat out a little less when we go.
Cool, I'll pack like 2 bagels. One for you, one for me.
Okay. I'm coming. Guys, they're all chefs in this house. They've been making such good food for me. Like, I've had chicken curry after so long. Like, my first Indian meal. There were almost tears in my eyes because I was missing Indian food so much. They also made me a really good bagel the other day. And they've been making like these yogurt bowls like with like berries and granola and chia seeds. Yum! Like, they're literally treating me like royalty. And apparently this is just how they eat and what they eat every day, which is amazing. I'm so proud of them for figuring it all out. I don't know why, but I feel like my concealer is not matching my face. I don't know if it feels like that for you guys also. It is feeling like that for me. Like, I hate mascara. This is like the last makeup product I would choose to use on planet Earth. But I use it like an idiot. Wearing my mom's cardigan, by the way. It's blue and brown, which is like so on theme with whatever is happening in the fashion world right now. My mom is so up to date and cool. Genuinely. I'm not even just saying it to say it. She just knows what's up. I didn't want to obviously shoot every single day because I'm also trying to like enjoy the moment and live in the moment. And also everyone around me I feel like is constantly inconvenienced by the fact that like I need to shoot because I'm taking so much longer and they have to be quiet and it's like in the way of everything because all the Airbnbs and all the houses everywhere are so small. So obviously I don't want to get in the way of like my family and friends. Rings are on. That's it. That's my update. I feel like we have not chatted like this in so long and I just wanted to catch up. So yes, that's all. Let's go to Dunleary. Let's go. Kriti is in a meeting.
Your other Mars is not here. Basement.
What? That's why I didn't open the door.
Nah, bro.
Kuch bhi. Actually, no, Mallory is really trying to be my Malav. She's like opening doors for me. She's carrying my suitcases everywhere.
Sis, I was your Malav before Malav was your Malav, please.
Look at what she's saying, Malav. Take notes.
Malav, people call you Mallory, okay? Relax.
Oh, this is Sotma, by the way. See, berry
My
cider.
shoes are matching my things so well.
Yeah, your
today,
outfit is
and I'm
actually
like,
looking so good. Wait, look at that. She's like matching with the nature. Cute. This is like the perfect shade of green and the perfect shade of blue right now. It's very windy. It's very cold.
It's not a cold day, it's just windy today.
Girl, it's cold for me. Please,
14.
talk to the hand.
Sorry.
Talk.
Bro, when you're editing this vlog, you're gonna see how much we've spoken about the weather, and it's gonna be insane.
Yeah, it's actually crazy because like there is actually genuinely
So much conversation to be had about the weather.
yeah, truly.
Yeah.
Like when the day is good, the vibes are good, the mood is good. We've arrived. Yes, we are alive in January. We finally come. It's literally 5:30, guys. We're so late to the day.
Sun is out.
Yeah, the sun is
Weather's
really out.
great.
Does this look like it's gonna be like 6-7 p.m.? So no, this looks like afternoon.
It's 6.
Oh, it's 6 p.m.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not even 5:30.
The sun is setting at 8:45 today.
Huh, okay. Yay!
Yay.
We're trying to shoot a reel. It's crazy.
Like, I just want to say that her job is so hard.
It's not. It's fun. She's killing it. And it's going to be so fun when you'll see the final reel, guys.
Yeah.
Remember these iconic outfits that we've shot them in.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah. We have come to Weatherspoons. It's so pretty. Look.
We've come to just drink and eat. I got a fuck ton of food, dude.
How much did you get? Did you overorder? Little bit you did.
Because they had like 3 dishes for $18. And I was like, okay, wow.
Girl, who is going to eat 3 dishes?
So I got halloumi fries.
Oh my
I
god.
got nachos.
Oh
And I
my
got
God.
southern fried chicken.
Oh my god.
Bro, we can sit here for hours because the alcohol is so cheap. The food
We
is
can
so
just
cheap.
keep
We
eating
can
and
just
drinking.
eating and drinking. That's all that we want to do.
Yeah, that
anyways.
is actually all that we want to do.
If you're an island, there's nothing else to do.
Look at our drinks. They're so pretty.
And he gave in different glasses.
Strawberry daiquiri. Just that we can tell whose is whose.
Like it was making a very big difference.
This girl has ordered for us and everyone at home also. So much
I was
food.
getting 3 dishes for
18.
$18.
Fair.
Come on, yeah.
Fair. We're gonna eat. Guys, round 2 we got white wine and baby Guinness again.
Again.
Yeah, and we moved inside because it's getting cold. The sun is setting. Where are you?
Oh, the spoons also.
Oh my god, wow. And we're finally leaving Weatherspoons. We've been here for so long.
We just we really lose track of time when we're drinking and chatting.
Yeah, we were just talking, drinking. And now finally we're leaving. It's 8:37.
Oh.
So bright here, bro, for 8:40. Like, what the f? It's so bright. It's so pretty also. Just look at this. Let's go. And get some sunset pics. Sadly, I don't have my Canon G7X. Oh my god. Wow. Bro, sunset in these countries is just crazy. We have found the ocean. Is this an ocean?
It's connected to the ocean. Like beyond this pier is the ocean.
Okay.
So it's a part of it, I guess.
Pretty. It's so pretty. Look at the sunset. Wow. We're literally just sitting in a random spot. So cold. We're watching the sunset.
The sun has set.
The sun has set. It's gorgeous. And we're gonna go to the train station now and go back too.
Guys, please come visit Ireland. I cannot tell you how pretty it is.
How many people will you take out? By the way, guys, before you apply, please know that Irish visa takes 4 to 8 weeks. You
Yeah,
might
yeah.
not have your passport for 2 months,
Yeah.
which
You
is
may not.
crazy.
But
yeah.
oh my god, like it's so gorgeous. I
It
haven't
is
even
very
taken
pretty.
Ria to. She has explored like 1%.
Yeah, true.
Like
Yeah.
Dublin, no. Ireland.
Ireland, yeah. But it's very nice.
The
Whatever
West
I've
Coast
seen
and all
is
is
gorgeous.
gorgeous.
Oh my god, wow. Have the lights just come on?
Yeah.
Wow.
We
Okay,
can go
let's
pee.
go. Yeah, let's go pee and let's go to the train station and go home. On the bus. Oh my gosh.
All are large. Okay, but is it going with the green?
No.
No, this one, the
No,
white.
no, take
this-
the white,
the
yeah.
off-white or this will go.
Oh, that's
See?
kind of lame. Now.
This is nice and this is nice.
Fuck outfit.
Yeah, but this is going. That is
But
not
then you can
going.
take the like slightly redder one.
That material is very like.
Take this. This material is nice. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna get out of the way because I feel like if I'm here, she's gonna get irritated.
I think she needs help packing,
No, no,
Malu.
no.
Okay, good
You
night.
don't know, Kriti. She just wants us to leave.
I'm good.
Do you want us to leave?
No, it's fine. Sit. Sit. It's your house. It's your house.
It's literally not. I'm leaving in like a day.
It's actually yours.
Literally, yeah. I didn't know there were clothes here also.
There are clothes everywhere possible, bro. You
Clothes? That's my suitcase. That's disappointing.
There's clothes under my bed,
Clothes.
there's clothes under her bed, there's clothes in her
Clothes.
closet, there's clothes in my closet, all of this is
Closet
clothes.
में तो कपड़े होंगे ना.
Yeah,
There's
correct.
clothes everywhere. There's clothes outside also. The laundry baskets, 2 big laundry baskets are sitting outside. Living alone is a never-ending pile of
But you're not
laundry.
alone. Kriti, are you seeing what she's saying?
I don't know what she's saying.
I don't understand. Kriti literally lives with you.
Bro,
This is
bitch-
Kriti's bed. This is Mallory's bed.
Please
Why
don't
you
show
showing
them.
that baby?
Bad. Bro,
did
look
this
at
on
how
the wall.
literally look at how
No, no.
disgusting
I-
this room is.
I just want to say that when I entered, it was in a great state. But since I've come, they've had no space because my bed is here. And then the suitcase is here. Bicharis, they can't even walk to their bed or hop. They are like jumping to get to their bed. So this is not the usual state of the room. When y'all have seen the house tour, it was beautiful in the house tour. That's how it usually is. Remember.
Yeah.
Good morning, rise and shine. Yesterday was a great day. We had so much fun. Today we are going into the city. Malu has just gotten out of the shower. I'm gonna go shower and get ready for the day. And I've already removed my outfit. Hopefully this quickens the process a little bit because we've been taking so long to get ready. So I will see you when we are ready and stepping out of the house. Out and about. Forgot to vlog earlier, but I just had like the best meal of my life. That was so good. So yesterday we were supposed to go to this place called Ramen Bar, and it was shut because they didn't have day before yesterday.
Electricity.
Yeah, no electricity, but today we went and it was so good. Like it was insane. Ate so much. Both our jeans are suddenly tighter. Yeah. Now we're gonna walk around and shop a bit, and that's it. That's what's happening. It's very pretty outside. From this place called Butler's, we got a bunch of chocolates. Actually, like way too many chocolates. But extra is always better than.
They're too good. 10 on 10.
And it was all like Irish coffee, Irish whiskey, and all that stuff.
Yeah.
And all that.
This is the Laffy.
This is the Liffey. Wrong information she's giving because of accent. Anyway, just walking around
Yeah. We're gonna go shop a little bit more.
a little bit. I found a cute store called Subdued. It was cute, like mid. Like I want to give it like a 6 on 10.
Really, that's kind of high.
Okay, 4.
Would be like,
Four,
like
yeah.
4.5-ish is like
Yeah,
a good rating.
4.5. Yeah, that's fair actually.
Yeah.
Bro, that's crazy. We are at the George. It's so lit.
It's so cute.
It's so
all
cute.
vibes.
Guys, it's a gay bar. And a drag show is gonna happen here in like a few minutes. I'm so excited. Look at it. What a vibe. Also, I'm officially a cider girlie. Wow. Patiently waiting. Good morning. It is my last day in Dublin. It's okay, yaar. Chill na, yaar. She's gonna start crying. Malu has made biryani, which is crazy news. I'm so excited to eat biryani. And also, Kriti's not here. She's left. I don't know if I gave you all this info. So the moment it's me, Kashish and Malu, and Aki is here. I don't know if you remember, but in the beginning of the vlog, there was someone who was in Mallory's hammock outside. And now,
He's still on the hammock only.
yeah, he's still there only. He was there when I entered, and now he's here when I'm leaving. That's it. Nothing in between. But anyway, let's eat. OMG, guys, look at the onions. Look at the biryani. Can you believe Mallory has made?
Oh, look at it. It's so smash.
Oh my god. I am shocked.
Every time Maria makes biryani, I have to clap, honestly.
Let's all clap. After we eat, after we eat, after we eat. Not before you eat.
Also before.
Okay.
It's too good, dude. I know how good it is.
We are ready, guys. I'm ready for the airport. I'm ready to go home. Let's go party. We're gonna go and finish filming this reel that Mallu and I have been filming. It's gonna be iconic, and Aki is coming to take videos of us for us.
He's a
Now do.
videographer.
Yeah.
Yeah, bitches.
Let's go. Even I am looking like a full idiot. Don't ask what's happening.
You'll know soon.
Carlos, I can't tell her what's happening. First of all, everyone go, congratulations, Malu, in the comments because she just got a job.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah! So happy. I knew it, bro. I
Yeah,
told
yeah.
her as soon as I reached. I told her. I have a feeling that by the end of the week, when I'm leaving, you're gonna get. Didn't I say?
Yeah,
You're gonna get a job.
Bro, she's my lucky charm. She literally said it like, now that I've come here, everyone's gonna get a job. It's gonna happen.
This is crazy. Bro, Aki, I'm telling you, you're next. You better get ready.
Yes.
You better get ready.
Yeah.
It's literally
It's
coming.
coming. It's coming.
I'll call you first.
Yeah, you better.
Yes.
So now that she's gotten a job, right? When is she gonna be able to come back to Mumbai and meet her parents and whatever? So I think. Wait 1 second. Do you want to think for 1 second?
No,
She's
there's no point in thinking it. Like, I'm not gonna be able to do this. I might as well just do it. I really
She
want to
is-
go home.
Yeah, she's booking her ticket and she's coming back to Bombay with me.
Yeah, I am literally. We're on the same.
We're on the same
That's
flight.
mad. Honestly, wow.
No more crying anymore.
This is
Oh, we can go surprise everyone together.
Bro, it's gonna be
Sakshi,
insane.
you, Diya will lose
Everyone
their
will
mind.
die. Yeah, oh my god. This vlog has turned out to be epic. Epic! I'm just rechecking all the flights just to make sure. Dublin 2035 1st May leaving, right? Reaching
Yeah.
Abu Dhabi 7:05.
Correct.
है ना?
Yeah, landing 12:45.
12:40.
Same thing.
Yeah.
She's wild.
1 second.
Hello?
Mal's just booking her ticket. She's coming back with me right
We're
now in
literally
1
on
hour.
the same flight.
What the?
Oh, say hi to the vlog, by the way.
Hello?
Bro,
What's up?
she's booking it, payment is processing.
Oh my god.
Because once she starts working, she won't be able to come back. So now she's just coming so that, like,
Like, even if I'm there for like 5 days, I don't give a. Let me
You'll
just
be
do it.
definitely more than
Yeah.
5 days for sure.
I feel like she'll start next to next week.
Yeah, you
Monday.
get 2 weeks.
Yeah.
You get 2 weeks.
What? What's up? What? Your flight only? Same
Yeah,
flight?
same flight.
Every-
oh, you meet Mala at the airport.
Yeah. He's coming to pick me up also. Yeah.
ASAP. See you tomorrow morning.
Okay, done.
What?
I booked it.
Dude, crazy vibe.
I booked it.
Chicken gunner.
Fair.
Fair point.
Fair.
Do your web check-in.
Do next you chicken.
Let me.
No, girl, pack your bag. I'll do the web check-in. You go pack your bag.
Yeah.
On our way to the airport, Malu is calling her mom to say,
I was calling to tell you that I am going to drop Riya to the airport. But my phone is like on like literally 5%. My phone is gonna die any second.
Why did you charge it?
I know, I forgot, bro. Like we
Too
were
much was
filming and all
happening.
in the morning, and she was leaving. We were like packing and all. It just got left. But I was saying that like I'm going to drop her to the airport, and then we're going to go out for drinks.
You will come late and I will go to sleep by then.
I'll call you tomorrow, Aram se. We've not spoken only, but like we're gonna be out a lot today. So let me like. She's.
hello. Say hi to the vlog.
She's saying say hi to the vlog.
She's so cutie. So basically, Malu has booked her flights, right? And now she's gonna surprise her parents. But her parents will call her at least 2 or 3 times.
Being my parents.
Yes, like on the way to Bombay. And obviously, the flight is very, very long. So we will be gone for like 15 to 20 hours.
17 hours,
Yeah,
yeah.
20 hours, something like that. So she needs to tell her parents what's up.
Yeah, like I need to be like, if you call me, I'm not answering.
Yeah, like,
I'm not
I'm
dead.
busy, yeah.
I'm just like out.
Yeah. Last time, because they like could not get through to her, and I also spoiled the surprise thoda because I forgot that she was surprising them. Whatever. But
Yeah.
like her sister fully figured it out. So before
Yeah.
she reached the house, only her sister was like, "You thought you could surprise me," and she put
There
like
was a note outside
on the door.
my door.
Yeah. So this
Yeah.
time you have to surprise them. Like it has to
This
happen.
time it is a surprise. Like
Yeah,
I don't
this
think
is-
anyone is going to be ready.
I
for
mean,
this.
honestly, even we weren't ready for it.
Yeah,
So now it's
I'm
like,
not ready. Like, I'm just not being able to process everything that's happened in the
Yeah.
span of like the last 2
what
hours.
the hell? Like,
Yeah.
what the hell? Even my parents are going to be so shocked. They're going to be like, Balari, what
Yeah.
the hell?
Your parents, my parents,
Diya is
Riyam
here.
Singh,
Diya view, bro.
Diya View, Saksh.
Saksha's
everyone.
left for a trip or no? Where is she?
She's not left. She was supposed to leave on the 2nd.
Just ask her where she is. It's okay.
Yeah, but I want to see her.
Yeah, I know. But we don't know what time she's leaving, so let's find out.
The sunset.
All
is
boarded.
gorgeous. Yeah, the sunset is very pretty. And guys, we're so late. Like this flight is delayed. We were 40-minute transit. Literally flying. What was I gonna say? Hers was the most unexpected. And also, we convinced the person next to me and the person next to her to sit. And then they agreed and they were so sweet. And now we're sitting together. Because this is a really long flight. It's like 9 hours.
Don't mind me, just got out of an everything shower, but I'm finally back in Bombay. It's actually been a couple of weeks, almost 3 since I've been back. The vlogs are going up. I hope you've been enjoying them. Obviously, no surprises, didn't get to film the outro of the travel vlog when I was traveling. Feel like the journey back is always so tiring, and I always struggle to take my camera out and vlog because I'm just so tired and I really want to get home. But this time it was also kind of exciting because Malz was with me and she ended up surprising all of our friends and her family, and it was just so cute. And I got an extra week in Bombay with her before she went back to work. Yeah, I'm so grateful for this entire trip. I shopped my heart out. I saw everything I had to see in Italy and in France and in Dublin, and honestly it was a dream trip come true. My family is the best. Like, I had such a good time with them. My parents are just so cool. Drinking with them everywhere, them helping me shop and helping me make content and everything. It's just like as perfect as it can get. The trip was a little long for me towards the end, but you know what? I miss it. Now that it's over and now that I'm home, I really do miss it. I don't know if I'm going to be booking another 3-week trip for a long time, but this was really fun. 100% recommend, like, just exploring Italy with your family, with your parents, exploring Dublin with your best friend, flying to wherever your best friend is to just meet her, get to know her life, get to live in her house, get to meet her friends, because now that I know Malu's life, when she FaceTimes me and when I talk to her, I know exactly where she's going, what she's doing, who she's meeting, and I just think it's so cute, honestly. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the travel vlogs. This trip was a great break for me. I really needed it, and yeah, I'm back to life, to work, to all that stuff, and still uploading so much content. I still have so much Instagram content also to upload from this trip. I'm gonna keep posting on Instagram, but unfortunately for YouTube, your content has come to an end. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you did. I obviously loved making these vlogs for you, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.